Here we come to the Westinghouse elevator at Dynasty Plaza in Houston, Texas. It's been a very long while, and I'm so glad that this elevator is still original as well. So let's take a ride on the Westinghouse. And I'm gonna try to noise over the music as much as I can to avoid getting copyright. But it's been like literally 8 years, and these elevators are still original as always. Hopefully it still has the dinner bell, because I really love the dinner bell. Oh yes. I'm gonna wait till it fades out and then we'll take it up for a ride. So with that being said, let's go to 2. I love that dinner bell, but that music is probably overpowering it. All right, let's wait for it to fade out. Oh, and it decides to ring again. So anyways, once the bell tone fades out, we'll go ahead and close up the door and head back down. The music is not as loud down here than it was upstairs. Anyways, we'll go ahead and end it on 2 this time. Here's your phone. All right, I'm gonna sample the dinner bell one more time. I'm gonna go ahead and stop the camera here to avoid that music. All right, well, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.